This is so sketchy. There he is. What's up, dude?
Dude,
What up? What's up, Andres?
Nice to meet you, Andres. Dude's getting hella nipples. Dude, free dinks right there, dude.
Free dinks?
Yeah.
I gotta get out there. Archie girls, bringing it back.
I didn't bring the fish grippers, dude. I hate touching these.
Fish grippers for perch.
Yeah. They're so slimy.
Yeah, they are. All right, we're gonna try this little brass basket here. I think these are called woolly bugs by Yum. Never tried these before, so let's see how these go. Shrimpy poo. Can't go wrong with shrimp. Oh, I just slipped. That was scary. Yeah. Yeah. Andres caught a sweet cab over there. Nice red one too. I think that was a female. Super kelpy in this spot. Keep getting snagged left and right, but I am getting some bites right here, so we'll see if we can get them in.
With the abalone fucking ate. It threw up.
Oh. Little baby.
Baby abalone.
That's what they eat.
The shrimp?
On a shrimp?
Yeah. Tied up with a string because otherwise he would have just fucking jacked me.
Yeah.
They're a little tight.
Yeah.
If you want to cut them.
What's wrong with tight? Oh, a little baby crab.
And a little baby crab. So,
Set him free. About to hit us some coves. It's probably a 10-minute walk over there. 10-15-minute walk. It's a beautiful walk though. Dude, the creek is dried up. So sketchy. So sketchy. Ugh.
Perchy homies. Kelpie boys.
Kelpie! Dang it! I lost it. Oh no! Came off.
Where?
I've been getting hella nibbles right here. Yeah.
Oh no!
Another perchy. Hell yeah.
Gripper time, dude.
Fish grippers. Gotta save the sea stars.
Yeah, saving sea stars, dude.
Saving sea stars. Snagged one up on the way up and dropped and landed upside down.
Just throw 'em in there?
Yeah. Hopefully it lands the right way. Yeah.
Rock?
I think so.
Yeah, buddy.
Tiny one. Damn, dude, broke the skunk at least.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, it's a black. Nice. Little tank. Let's cook them up. Ooh, I'm on. I'm on. Dude. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, damn it. No, I got it.
Oh, dude. Really?
Cabby. Yes. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, Curly. Yeah, Curly. He's oh no! Oh no!
Fuck you! Nice, man.
Dude, that's tacos. Yeah. Damn, that was a good one. Yeah. Damn, dude, that hurts. No, I got it. Just try not to fall here. Woo! Been fishing all day. Hours. Finally. Finally. That was definitely a keeper. We're making some tacos with these. We're making some tacos with that, man. Yes. Got that one on the fluke. 8-inch fluke drop shot. Yeah.
Oh, all these seagulls started freaking me out. You hear them? They're going crazy.
Fish. Yeah, that was definitely worth the wait. Just gotta be patient with some things, you know? You get what you want. I definitely thought I was going home skunked today, but nope. $15 and a half. It's almost right on the dot, but you know what? I'm getting hungry. A little desperate, to be honest. So we're gonna keep that. Yeah. Oh, a little dinker. Oh, dang. It's wedged in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, dang it. Hopefully it flops into the water sometime soon.
Can you see them or not?
Yeah, I can see him from like the front. Just grab onto this rock right here.
Yeah.
We can get Curly, the rock climber, over here.
I know, huh? He should be doing this.
Saving a fish's life.
Where is he? You want him?
No, just Throw them back. Yeah. Just shoot them in. There you go. Woo! Yeah, there's a bunch of blues over there, it feels like.
Yeah.
Bunch of nibbles, huh?
Yeah, so I like going next to that taller rock next to that one.
Yeah.
Maybe like 6 feet in front of it, but now all that shit's in front of it. So you're
Now you
gonna
gotta cast on this side.
Yeah.
All right.
And then that's where I caught a 13-inch one, black, I think.
Black.
Yeah, 13-inch black.
Right? Yeah, little guys. Come in. No, water's fine. I'm gonna get it out down there.
Yeah.
He caught it on the dolphin, dude.
On the dolphin.
On the dolphin.
It feels good. Look at how small it is.
It's gonna get bigger, dude. It's gonna get bigger.
Yeah, dude, that's hefty.
That's a good one, dude.
Hell yeah. Tacos or what?
Another one?
Dude, that's fat. There you go. Deeper.
Don't show my mom that one.
So here, Dink ended up gut hooking a black and yellow. Not too deep, to the point where he thought he could throw it back and it would survive. Unfortunately, it ended up floating, and we tried to retrieve it. That way we can keep it so it doesn't go to waste. We waited and waited for the waves to bring it in, hopefully to be able to grab it, and finally it decides to finally dive down.
Yes!
No way!
Yes!
What?
Woo! That was awesome! That was crazy. You probably saw me jellyfish. Like, I'm like, that was cool.
Yeah, he's gone.
Your conscience is clean.
Yeah, I could sleep tonight.
He's on, he's on! Yeah. Nice.
What's your thing?
You.
No, yours thing. Sheesh.